Want to become an event planner? Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your skills, we have compiled the top 8 certifications that will set you apart in the world of event planning. Let's get into it. First up is the CMP certification. Ideal for those involved in meetings, conventions, and exhibition planning, the CMP is globally recognized and issued by the Events Industry Council. The CMP enhances credibility and sets industry standards across 55 countries. To become CMP certified, you'll need a mix of education and experience. The exam covers a wide range of topics, from strategic planning to event marketing. Next, the CSEP certification, awarded by the International Live Events Association since 1993, validates your ability to produce exceptional events and is known for enhancing industry performance. With 3 eligibility pathways, the CSEP is perfect if you have at least 3 years of practical experience and is especially good for those seeking to join a global community of event professionals. The CMM, offered by MPI, covers business management, leadership, and meeting management. Known for never expiring, this certification is akin to a mini graduate degree in event planning. Earning the CMM requires significant experience and educational commitment, but it positions you at the top of your field. The CPCE, hosted by NACE, focuses on empowering those in the catering and events sector, enhancing your expertise in the core competencies of hospitality. This certification is perfect for those dedicated to the catering aspect of event planning. For those working with government contracts, the CGMP ensures you meet the strict guidelines and standards necessary for government events, overseen by the Society of Government Meeting Professionals. This specialized certification is essential for navigating the complexities of government event regulations. The GTP certification is uniquely tailored for the travel industry, requiring 3 years of relevant experience. It's a great way to align with top professionals in business travel. This credential is a must-have for those specializing in travel-related event planning. With the rise of digital events, the DES certification from the PCMA is crucial. It equips you with skills to engage audiences digitally and maximize ROI from online events. This is ideal for event planners who want to excel in the digital space. Lastly, the CM by the International Association of Exhibitions and Events offers a tailored education for exhibition managers, ensuring you stand out in managing large-scale exhibitions. This comprehensive program is designed for those focusing on the exhibition aspect of the industry. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. We'd love to hear which certification you're considering, so drop a comment below.